Hate or not, South Africa is beautiful. I will be walking you around the Parliament of the Republic of South Africa, Cape Town, Iziko Museum, Company Gardens, National Library of South Africa, St. Mary's Cathedral, all historical topmost visited places in Cape Town. I'm Mvlog SoFun. I welcome you in today's travel vlog. Look here, family, I've been in Cape Town for quite a while now, but I had not gotten a chance to visit these famous historical places. Being a fan of beautiful things and being an appreciative person, I could not waste no more time without visiting and walking around this place where laws are made and discussed. Starting from the previous video of driving in Cape Town part 1, if you didn't watch, go and watch it. You must have seen a small glimpse of this place, but what I wanted to do is to give you a full tour. Well, now that we are all here, I kindly request you to like the video, share, and the new ones subscribe to the channel. But also, what is your favorite place we are visiting in this video today? Leave your answer in the comment section. Okay. At Plain Street, Cape Town, here is where you will find this beautiful building that smiles majestically, molded in ancient design architecture, and into it is the Parliament of the Republic of South Africa, Cape Town, which has an history that starts far away since 1884. Yes, family, the new ones I kindly request not forget to subscribe and like, comment, and also let me know what you think about this video. We are continuing with our video, and behind me, like you can see, this is the Parliament, and because of the security purposes, of course, we have just walk around this area and then show you behind how it looks like. Okay guys, we are continuing, we are still walking around. Continue watching, don't get tired. Okay guys. Opposite the Parliament of the Republic of South Africa, there stands a beautiful cathedral called St. Mary's Cathedral. It is situated in Cape Town, South Africa, as a magnificent testament to Gothic revival architecture, serving as the seat of the Archbishop Cape Town since the middle century. It holds profound religious and cultural significance. Now that we've seen where the parliament, the cathedral is located on this very street, let us also walk around and have a look at one of the beautiful schools that is within this very area. It's a few meter walk from the parliament to this school. Since we came to tour to learn and also explore this entire area, let us also have a look at this beautiful school. It's called Gardens Commercial High School and is a reputable educational institution located in Cape Town, South Africa. Founded in 1961, it has a rich history of providing quality education in a diverse and vibrant community. Situated in the Gardens neighborhood, the school offers a conducive learning environment and a wide range of academic and extracurricular opportunities to its students. So I believe when you're here, this is where, of course, you have to bring your child. Okay guys, we are continuing, and kindly I request the new ones to subscribe and put on a notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video, and also the old one. I really don't take you for granted. Thank you so much for the support you are giving. Okay, let us continue, and the next part will be also exploring the gardens. Just keep watching and like the video, share. Thank you. Okay guys, we are continuing, and like I said, I kindly request the new ones to subscribe if you like the video, and also share, like, comment. Let me know what you think about this entire place. Okay guys, we are continuing with the video, and let us go and look at other places within this space. Family, this video is all about exploring, learning to know more about this place. If you find this video educative, please, I kindly request you to give it a like, share, and also comment. Let me know what you think about this entire place. The Iziko South African Museum, located in Cape Town, is a premier institution dedicated to showcasing the natural and cultural heritage of South Africa. Established way back in 1825, it stands as one of the oldest museums in the country, boasting extensive collections that span various disciplines, including natural history, archaeology, and ethnography. Visitors to the museum can explore a diverse array of exhibits ranging from fossils and minerals to archaeological artifacts and cultural objects representing South Africa's rich history. With a lot of history behind the Iziko Museum, we can spend the entire day talking about this place. But because we have a lot to discover, let us also continue looking at different places. Family, I kindly request you to join the family, the new ones and the old ones. Just share the video, like, comment, and let me know what you think about this place. We are here to educate ourselves, to share with other people out there who may need this kind of knowledge and maybe one day to be able to visit this place. This place is rich in history. We cannot really educate ourselves in one day. So we are deciding on take a walk and look at different places. We have a lot to discover and we haven't yet touched even at a quarter of it. So let us continue, family, with our journey. Okay guys, we are continuing, and like I said, I kindly request the new ones to subscribe if you like the video, and also share, like, comment. Let me know what you think about this entire place. Okay guys, we are continuing with the video, and let us go and look at other places within this space. This is shocking, isn't it, family? Like most of you are surprised. Me too, myself, I'm surprised by the beauty that stands here in the heart of Cape Town. Not so many countries reserve this kind of natural places in their cities. And if they did, some will not allow people come and relax in them. Hate or not, South Africa is beautiful. These gardens have been here since 17th century. This place acts as a botanical garden which do feature a diverse collection of indigenous and exotic plants. This place is not only a place of natural beauty, but a hub of cultural events, recreation activities, and if you want to escape from the hustle and bustle of the day, you just come and relax from here. If you want to find more about Company's Garden, at the entrance there is a lot of information that you can get that will show you where to find what and what you should expect when you visit this place. For example, it will show you where to find the South African Museum and Planetarium, which houses extensive natural history collections and exhibitions. The Company's Garden restaurants, a popular spot for visitors to enjoy a meal or refreshment amidst the greenery, and also the Holocaust Center, dedicated to educating visitors about the Holocaust and promoting tolerance and human rights. So when you read on the board here, what I will call a signpost by the entry, you will see all this information. Let us also talk about the National Library of South Africa in Cape Town. It serves as a vital repository of the nation's intellectual and cultural heritage. It houses extensive collections of books, manuscripts, periodicals, maps, and multimedia materials reflecting the diverse history of this country. This place was opened on 1st November 1818 and as the South Africa Public Library. It's also located at 5th Queen's Victoria Street, Cape Town City Center. So you can see that it holds a lot of history. As we watch these youngsters dance, sing, and enjoy themselves, I also would like to say thank you so much for the support and making it this far. And I kindly request you to share this video if you really like it. And also I would like to inform you or tell you that the next video will be embarking on a journey where we will be visiting one of the top most visited place called Bokap. Okay guys, just tune in. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.